So this is the new Dynamic Command T6 series, which is new for New Holland this year. It's a 24 speed, 3 range, 8 gears per range. It's got a command grip control, which is really easy to operate. You see the control layout on the Sidewinder console?
Yeah.
Feel how easy or natural it is from a placement standpoint of the controls?
I say this thing drives pretty smooth. It's pretty easy to handle. It's got a good fluid motion.
The IntelliView monitor gives you a nice display there of all your speeds and all your controls. The other good thing about this T6 is the Horizon cab that gives you good visibility.
Yeah, this has got a little bit better visibility than the two 6050s I have.
You noticing the power with this 6-cylinder T6.180?
Yeah, this power seems good because this tractor's not working real hard. It's moving right along. I didn't check, but I'm assuming I'm in 4-wheel.
Yes, you are. Front-wheel drive is engaged.
Yeah.
The nice thing about the Dynamic Command transmission is it allows you to be able to shift very easily on the go.
Yeah, I mean, you can drop her down and you can speed right on up. This transmission isn't in the other tractors?
No, the T6 is the first series of New Holland to offer the Dynamic Command transmission.
So this is cutting edge. Yeah, the seat's comfortable and you feel like you're kind of floating. Yeah, this is a nice smooth ride.
Well, if we had another 2 acres, we'd have more to tell you about the Dynamic Command.